Welcome to the Cascada Band Trivia Quiz Challenge, brought to you by ScoMo Trivia Fun. Let's get started. Here you see an agenda of different aspects of the band that we'll be covering today. So our first question is, which country was Cascada formed? Was it A, Germany, B, United States, C, UK, or D, Canada? And Cascada was formed in A, Germany in 2002, marking the beginning of their successful musical career. Who's the lead singer of Cascada? Is it A, Natalie Horler, B, Britney Spears, C, Lady Gaga, or D, Madonna? And the answer is A, Natalie Horler. She's known for her powerful vocals and energetic performances. In 2005, what was the breakthrough hit for Cascada? Was it A, Every Time We Touch, B, Bad Boy, C, Miracle, or D, Evacuate the Dance Floor? The correct answer is A, Every Time We Touch. It top charts worldwide. Question 4. What is the primary genre of Cascada? Is it A, rock, B, pop, C, dance, or D, jazz? And the answer is C, dance, characterized by upbeat rhythms and electronic sounds. Question number 5. Which album was the 2011 release? Was it A, Perfect Day, B, Original Me, C, Evacuate the Dance Floor, or D, Back on the Dance Floor? And the correct answer is B, Original Me. And it showcased a mix of dance and pop tracks. Question 6. In which year did Cascada participate in the Eurovision Song Contest? Was it 2010, 2013, 2015, or 2018? And the answer is B, 2013. Representing Germany with song Glorious. Who is the record label for Cascada? Is it A, Sony Music, B, Universal Music, C, Spinning Records, or D, Zoo Digital? And the correct answer is D, Zoo Digital. They are a label known for dance music artists. Question 8. What was a hit song in the United States? Was it A, What Hurts the Most, B, Pyromania, C, Every Time We Touch, or D, San Francisco? And the answer is C, Every Time We Touch. It was a massive hit in the US, reaching high positions on the Billboard charts. Question number 9. What is the 2009 Cascada album? Was it A, Evacuate the Dance Floor, B, Perfect Day, C, Back on the Dance Floor, or D, The Best of Cascada? And it was A, Evacuate the Dance Floor. This was marking a major success for the band. Question 10. Speaking more about Evacuate the Dance Floor. What year was it released? No peeking. It was 2009 and became a major hit for Cascada. What year was the band formed? Was it 1999, 2002, 2004, or 2007? And the correct answer is B, 2002. The members of Cascada consist of Natalie Horler, DJ Manian, and Yanu. What are the roles of each of these members? Natalie Horler is the lead vocalist, while DJ and Yanu handle production and DJing duties. Question 13 is about the Miracle release. What year was the song Miracle released? Was it 2004, 2006, 2008, or was it 2010? And the correct answer is 2006. It's a part of the debut album. There's a question about collaborations. Which of these individuals did Cascada collaborate with? Was it A, David Guetta, B, Calvin Harris, C, DJ Mania, or D, Avachi? And the correct answer is C, DJ Mania. Question 15, country of major success. In which country has Cascada achieved major success? Is it A, France, B, the US, C, Germany, or D, Australia? And the correct answer is C, Germany. They've gained widespread popularity in this country. Question 16. When was Back on the Dance Floor released? It's a compilation of songs since 2004. Is it from 2010, 2012, 2014, or 2016 when it was released? The correct answer is 2012. Question 17. In what year was the release of the song Pyromania? Was it 2009, 2010, 2011, or 2012? And the correct answer is B, 2010. Showcased Cascadia signature dance pop style. What year was the song San Francisco released? Is it 2010, 11, 12, or 13? The correct answer is 2011. Dance pop style. Which of these non-album singles were released by Cascada? Was it A, Reason, B, Glorious, C, Pyromania, or D, Summer of Love? And the correct answer is A, Reason. There's your final question for the compilation album. Which is a compilation album of Cascada? Is it A, The Best of Cascada, B, Original Me, C, Evacuate the Dance Floor, or D, Perfect Day? And the correct answer is A, The Best of Cascada. It's a compilation album released in 2010 showcasing their greatest hits. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please click like and then subscribe to our channel for more ScoMo trivia fun. Have a great day. Thank you.